Ciao a tutti da JGR Studios, il nostro canale dedicato alle lezioni, recensioni e tutorial sull'audio recording. Vi ricordo che i nostri corsi ufficiali presonus studioone ed Acustica audio sugli altri software e sulle tecniche di audio mix e mastering sono disponibili sul sito www.proaudiolearning.com. Non dimenticate di iscrivervi cliccando sul pulsante sotto a destra e di attivare la campanella per ricevere notifiche dei nuovi video caricati.
Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Yuri Gianluca and we are going to show you the English version of the video about Lace, the latest Acustica audio limiter plugin. As explained before in the Italian version of this video, Lace is not only a limiter plugin. I pushed Giancarlo to make something very special, in particular on the flat version of Lace. Let's have a look at the plugin before entering in the details of the plugin and the processing about some songs that was not mastered yet. So let's have a look in the controls, just starting from left to right, then up and bottom parts of the interface. Lace comes in two versions of the same plugin. One is more simple, as you can see in the Lace Silver hardware emulation. Then we have a threshold on the left from 0 to -24 and output compensation on right from -24 to +24. In this time we have a beautiful digital viewing interface where we can see the threshold functions in red and the RMS in green, and also the peak stop in white, and the purple are the peaks. It's very simple to understand, very easy to use it. Let's back to the simple version. So we have listening or monitoring in up here. Left and right monitoring, side, mid, and delta. Delta give us the listening of what is going on inside the plugin. It's very useful to understand what really happened in our processing. So let's have a look in the bottom that we have a knee, limiter knee, from hard knee to soft knee. Using the soft knee, the transient pass through directly in the peak stop knees. So we can easily left the transient going into the clipping stage. So we have also not the common controls in limiter, such as attack and release. Then true peak stop, so we have a true peak on and off. I generally use the peak off. I will explain later what I do in combination with Ash. So oversampling, just to have a better performance as you can, depends on the machine. Then dithering from the truncate to the smoother too. So, and bits definition, so we have 24 bits usual. And also the control to bypass, auto gain compensation. It's very important if you want to use dry and wet function. And LUFS response view, 4 different parameters here. They are very important. So we have power. This is not very related to the power, but it's about the interceptor of the limiter. So 1 keeps all the peaks, it's a peaks intervention, peaks interception. 2 is about RMS interception. And from 2 to 5, we have a different approach, just like the Massenburg style. So we have to remember that from 2 to 5, the relation between attack and release changes. So if you want to use it, we have to move it, in relation with the power from 2 to 5. My common use is on 2, on RMS interception. Attack and release hold are very important. This hold maximum transform limiter in a very classical limiter without distortion. So if you want to master without so much distortion, just have release hold to maximum. Same for the attack and release, because the release is very, very fast. So fast as easy to listen at distortion. So my starting point's 20 in a release, and from 80 to 100 as attack, as a very slow attack. This is a common use of the limiter. Then we can play with these parameters in relation to the speed of the song we are working on. The meters show you RMS, left and right peaks, or in here we have peak stop and hard and soft limiting approach. Move on the Lace flat version, where I pushed Giancarlo to add some new features, such as MS limiter and MS peak stop. Then we have now here bypass and listening, monitoring approach, just like delta, side, mid, and left to right. Last but not the least, the modal emulations. This is a combination of digital limiter approach, so algorithm approach, mixed with the hardware sampling approach. This makes Lace very unique. So we have here a different kind of hardware emulation. I'm used to choose between the clean version. Just remember that Indigo at now is the most clean of all the models. So we have the oversample and jitter and beats as before, and also we have a beautiful, incredible sidechain filter. Some people ask about is still maintained a brick wall limiting? Yes, but the sidechain filter help us to left all the low frequencies going directly to the clipping stage process. And this is amazing. So we can have now an incredible limiting effects without destroying the bass and the low frequencies dynamics. This is the most powerful tool and now. This let me easily reach the loudest possible delivering. Then in the end we have a presets, so as mine too, in the bottom part of the presets, so JGR. And then just an advice, my suggestion to select the preset, then start with threshold from 0. Even I wrote labeled the preset as -15 RMS because I'm working with the song with -15 RMS. This could not be useful for your track, so start from 0, then start gradually going through your song to listen the presets effects until you reach the best as you can. So let's go now inside the tracks. For this demo I've used a friend of mine, Lewis album. It's an amazing album, then I suggest you listen. It's called Bouncer. This was mastered for vinyl, so I'm going to make a digital release and make it loudest as possible and see what happened inside Lace. Let's go. So first of all, we are going to move the master out to less 12 dB, just to not destroy the sounds in YouTube, because we are going to be very extreme now. All the mix we are going to listen now, it was prepared for vinyl, so we are going to make it extreme now for the streaming. Well, first song is Girls, taken from the Lewis album Bouncer, and the second one will be Mama, same album, different approach, different song. As I suggested before, we start using the threshold from 0 to -24, just to see how to enter in the music program. So well, let's go. So focus our attention on the sidechain filter, then we have more bass, just to obtain more air on the bass, it's very important. And now I've moved release to 100, so absolutely no release, and attack super fast. And also pay attention on the pick stops. When I move from mid to side, then we can listen more distortion on the high frequencies. Same here, if I move from mid to side. When I limit the mid, the side brings up, and then reverse, moving to side, the limiter is going to act in the side, so we have more mid. It's a perfect way to balance the limiting on mid and side. This is amazing in combination with sidechain filter. When I start moving the knee in here, then we can start have more distortion on the low frequencies. This is why the limiter is starting to left, to start the transient go through, directly through into the clipping stage. As we can see in combination with Ash Ultra now in the master, just to have another half dB of distortion. And curiously, this makes the true peaks very low, so 0.7. The original true peaks, because I'm not using a true peaks limiter here, the original peaks are almost 4 or 5 dB more. Just have a look at that, closing the Ash. Wow. Let's open Ash. Extra loudness, less true peak. Yeah.
Girls unfair. Girls unfair. Girls unfair. Girls unfair.
I'm using the R clipping on Ash. -3, wow. This is amazing. So we arrived to -3 LUFS without so much distortion. This is incredible. And also we have a low hand, so freely fat and powerful. This is actually the best limiter in the planet. So thanks Giancarlo, thanks to Acoustic Audio to let me participate on the evolution of this kind of plugins. So let's go to listen what happened in the second song. Then we worked on girls that have a lot of low hands. So moving on, Mama, there are different approach, different song, not so much low hands in here. So we can add it, why not? And we can try to add it using the knee of the limiter on mid side. So moving to side, so we start using the limiter mostly on the mid. So we're going to limit it the mid, so we can add more distortion on low end. Let's have a look at the second song, Mama. This is my favorite from the album.
Mama, mama, I'm a superstar. 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 ever think I'd get so far? Mama, mama, I'm my superstar. Have a drink with me, my supercar. So far, mama, mama, I'm my superstar. Have a drink with me, my supercar.
Control your body.
Mama, mama, I'm my superstar. Superstar. Did you ever think I'd get so far? Mama, mama, I'm my superstar. Have a drink with me, my supercar.
Let me thanks to Giancarlo and Acustica Audio, then listen to me to awesome feature inside Lace, because for me it's an honor to have such a great friends. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will do more English video, I promise. Not only on Acustica Audio plugins, but also in a mix and mastering process in a real professional stage. I hope you enjoyed the video, so let the comments below. Then thanks for watching from JGR Studios. It's all for now. Ciao!
Spero che questa lezione vi sia stata utile. Vi aspetto ai miei seminari, al corso professionale presso il mio studio e nei corsi online sul sito www.proaudiolearning.com. Affronteremo i vostri mix insieme e li finalizzeremo nelle fasi di mastering. Per gli iscritti ai corsi sono disponibili inoltre plugin e librerie gratuite, oltre ai nuovi video esclusivi ogni mese. Continuate a seguirmi su Facebook, YouTube e Music Off. Non dimenticate inoltre di supportare queste lezioni gratuite attraverso il canale Patreon, che trovate in descrizione. Se il video vi è piaciuto, cliccate subscribe e attivate la campanella, questo mi aiuta a far crescere il canale. Per il momento è tutto, ciao, a presto!